Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come and show you what I did with the card kit of the month for June. It's called Super Chill. And the only thing I did was use the ephemera pack. I didn't add any lace, any ribbons. I didn't do any extra. So these are very simple, cute cards. I think these are perfect for beginners because the kit comes with everything. So you don't have to go crazy, adding extra stuff. But let me show you real quick. So I made this one. It says, "You make my heart smile. You're the sweetest." I added a little cotton candy, the little donuts, the little balloon doggy, and it even comes with these the sequins. So I made that one. Then I made this one, sunshine with a little lemonade, super cute. Then I made this one. It says happy birthday with the candles, the cotton candy. Look at the sparkle. And then I turned this one into an easel using more of the cutouts. Then I used this one, So Love with the flower. Cute. Then this one with the bingo pieces that says winner, hooray. Another one with the lemonade, and it says you're fresher than lemonade. You see the little gold foiling? Super cute. Then I did this one, So Loved, with the little balloon doggy. And then this one, I did use the die for the doggy. It says happy birthday with the butterfly. I turned this one into an easel. So I did 2 easel cards with this kit. And this is what I'm saying, guys. These card kits are so easy. It comes with everything. So you can make really fast, simple, but cute cards. And I think that's it. Let me know what you guys think. These are perfect for beginners and even for the more advanced. You could add your extras. And I hope you guys like it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.